that's how we end up random places, and then I just end up. Bro, there was a time I walked from here to West End, and had to walk back up to my car, fam.
Fucking hell.
And I was like, raw, fam.
Bro, one thing I've been scared of is losing my car, bro.
Literally.
Like parking somewhere and not being able to find it because you forgot it. That's got.
But I'm lucky though, you see, because I got Bluetooth. Once you connect to a car Bluetooth, it saves it on your phone. Literally, when you last picked it.
Imagine you can't find your car, bro. No, yeah, that's what a man's gonna do still. That's smart still. Share your own location to yourself. Or where you are, innit?
I always take a picture. No, now we're coming onto London Bridge now, yeah?
Oh, yeah. That bridge is mad.
Was it Old Kent Road thing open? Yeah?
What's that?
Saying that on the McD's.
Oh shit.
I was hungry, man. I'm gonna eat the same thing again, but man's good. I don't care, man.
The mozzarella sticks?
Nah, I wanna get a quarter pounder with the cheese.
Bro, McDonald's should sell mac and cheese balls. They'd make a killing off that.
Right, and then don't get out tonight.
Well, that's mad though, you're working here during Corona, like.
Literally,
brave still.